We have peer review studies. We have pharmaceutical grade manufacturing. We own po the manufacturing plant. We have over 150 scientists on board who are all employees of USANA. Again, we formulate our product and we make sure that those are all substantiated. Another thing, Ms. Zena, is that we're also one of the few brands trusted by a lot of athlete and health professional worldwide because meeting the most stringent standards like the NSF, the informed choice, the certified halal, kosher, our flagship product alone, Essentials, is more than a multivitamin. It's actually a daily foundation for proactive health.
My name is Dina Loomis, and it's my honor and pleasure to present our special guest for today, and that's Cherry Ampig from USANA, Philippines. So I know that many of our viewers out there have been waiting for this. So, Cherry, if you can tell us a little bit more about yourself.
The honor is mine, Miss Dina. Thank you for having me here. Again, my name is Cherry Janisha Ampig. I am currently serving as the General Manager of Yasana Philippines. I've been here with this company, would you believe, Miss Dina, for more than 16 years now. So I've spent over 2 decades po of my career in the direct selling industry. That's to be exact, 24 years na po ako in the direct selling industry. And my journey has been rooted in one consistent goal po, and that is to help people thrive, whether that's our employees, our associates, or the communities that we serve. In fact, Miss Dina, every time that I'm asked, what do you do? Instead of like the usual me saying, oh, I'm from sales and marketing, or I'm the GM, I would always say, I am in the business of improving lives or making people feel good about themselves because that is really what I do or that is really where I am from. So I came po with this role with a background that spans from education. When I graduated, I started teaching immediately. So I've taught English and literature, so grammar and literature for almost a decade. Then I did corporate training. That's when I moved to Sara Lee, direct selling company, and where that was the start of my corporate life or my corporate journey. Then I did global recognition, I did leadership development. But one of the turning points po ng career ko was the time that I spent at our headquarters back in Salt Lake City, Utah. So I worked there for over 3 years. That was the time when I led the recognition initiatives of Yusana Global among across actually 20 markets po. And that experience shaped how I approach strategy with a global mindset, which is really very important among leaders today. But I always grounded po in human connection. That's really what this job is or this advocacy that I have in life is. So at Yusana Philippines, my focus has been building not just a business, but a strong culture. Okay, one that's profitable, of course, that's very important for a business, but also a business or a company or an organization that is very inclusive, that is very important to me. It should be empowering, it should be forward looking, and I'm proud that our efforts have been recognized for 3 years in a row as one of the best companies to work for in Asia. And that really means so much to me. It means a lot to me because it reflects our team's commitment to people first leadership. Then I also po hold an executive MBA from the Asian Institute of Management. I just graduated last December and recently completed a leadership program at the University of New South Wales in Australia that focus on crisis and transformation leadership, which I really valued a lot because I've learned so much from that. I'm married and I have grown up kids. I have two boys and his name is Ren. He is 34 years old. already. He is a software engineer, and the youngest is 30 years old, who is a certified public accountant. And both actually have established their own solid journey in their respective careers. Very proud to be their mom. I love traveling po. That's really what I do, both for work and personal. And if people are going to ask me, ano ba hobby mo, or what is your hobby? I'm sure people would say, oh, I'm boring, because I really love sleeping. Maybe because there's just really a lot of things that I do already every day in my life. And I believe that a part of us recharging or recovering is that we have to take care of ourselves. And that is one form of me taking good care of myself, is for me to be getting enough sleep so that I would be able to recharge and serve better.
Thank you so much,
Yan, Miss Dina.
Cherry. That helps a lot for everybody out there because I know some people go overboard and they forget about themselves and then they get sick. And what for? You're
True.
working hard for your family, then what happens to your family if you get sick? So thank you. That was for me. What an insight. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that, Cherry. And now
Welcome.
I'm curious as the general manager of this leading, like it's I know it's an MLM, right? Multi-level company. What makes your vitamins, skincare, and energy supplements such um such what we call success in a highly competitive market?
Opo. Thank you, Miss Dina. Actually, every time that I'm asked about that question, which is not really often, seldom lang naman po, but I would always say, oh, I can talk the whole day about this company because I'm really very passionate about Usana. But to answer your question, what truly sets USANA apart is our commitment to science and integrity. I think that is really very important, especially now, at a time when the wellness space is flooded with a lot of trends, a lot of hype. We want to be able to make sure that we stay grounded in cellular nutrition. It is a field that USANA has pioneered for over 30 years, because yung founder po namin, Dr. Myron Wentz, yun yung pinaka-vision niya. For all of us to create the healthiest family on earth. And our products aren't just formulated, they are scientifically substantiated, which I think, again, is really very important. It's backed by in-house research. We have peer review studies. We have pharmaceutical grade manufacturing. We own po the manufacturing plant. We have over 150 scientists on board who are all employees of USANA. Again, we formulate our product and we make sure that those are all substantiated. Another thing, Ms. Zena, is that we're also one of the few brands trusted by a lot of athlete and health professional worldwide, because meeting the most stringent standards like, the NSF, the Informed Choice, the Certified Halal, Kosher, our flagship product alone, Essentials, is more than a multivitamin. It's actually a daily foundation for proactive health. So, very important po sa amin. Recently po, you commented about my skin. Again, I'm very passionate also about skincare, because when it comes to skincare, we've moved away from the just surface level promises. We have our line now, our Celavive line. If I could just plug it, it's now reformulated. It's going to be reformulated actually, and then it's going to be rebranded as a cellular skincare. Again, it is rooted in the same science of nourishing the skin at the cellular level, just like for our multivitamins. So again, that consistency from the internal, the multivitamins, and the external, which is our skincare, for external glow, is very rare in the market today. I think that really what sets us apart, Miss Dina.
Yes, I agree. I agree. I haven't heard of that kind of description of all other known brands. Yes, yes. So What leadership, by the way, this, I'm very curious because you are so young. I honestly, Cherry, I thought you were less than 30. Honestly, when,
Oh,
when I saw you,
Miss
oh my God,
Tina.
I said, oh, wow, how young. I mean, for holding such a high position and so young. So I am curious, what leadership principles have guided your journey in managing and growing a company that consistently ranks number one in its category?
Oh, thank you. If it's coming from you, I feel so nakakatuwa. Thank you, Miss Lina. So, yeah, again, leadership is really something that you may say probably that it's been here for many years, but it is something that I think I am working every day for me to continue to grow. But the kind of leadership that I do, it's anchored in three core principles, Ms. Dina. First is clarity. For me, clarity in where we're going and why it matters. I believe that people just don't follow your instructions, they follow your purpose. So, with the team that I have, I've been working with the team. Most of them are with me for many, many years, and they've known me as someone who would make sure that I will be very clear in what I would want them to do in terms of direction, in terms of empowering them. Also, it's very important for the team, especially for those who thought that they are not contributing enough to the overall vision of Yusana, that they know that no matter how what they do or their contributions are not considered small, because wherever they are in our organization, be they are from the corporate customer service or operations, we want to make sure that whatever they do contributes a lot to the bigger picture. So clarity is very important for me. That's one. Number two that I am very passionate about is care. Care because we're in a people first business. And whether it's our employees or our business partners, meaning our associates, they need to be seen, they need to be heard, and they need to be supported. I also advocate here at in our workplace mental health, which is a lot of people in the past disregard mental health or they just shrug it and they just say, oh, it's so full of drama yung pagkakaroon ng mental health. But no, this is now today's reality and people should not shun away from it. I don't think that people should also be ashamed of stepping forward to say if they are having any challenges on their mental health or mental wellness. So I'm big on that. And also, again, people here in our workplace know that. The third that I have as part of my core principle is consistency. It's how we show up as leaders. There are often, I would be honest, there are often or mornings that I feel also that I needed some encouragement from other people, but I would always say that, I need to get up and say, I am the leader. I have to show up no matter how I feel during that day, especially during the times of uncertainty. It's important, again, that we are the most stable and anchored voice in a room. So that's what I always think about is that every morning, Yasana has been something that I makes me want to get out of bed because there's I have here my friends for many years and I love working with these people and I love how you are also making an influence or impact on their lives. So again, clarity, care, consistency. But after I've taken my executive MBA, Messina, if I may just share, I have now been very again passionate about or deep respect about data and intuition. Because we listen what the market tells us. That's the voice of the consumer is very important. But we also trust our instinct as being here as leaders when it comes to people. And through all that I do, I would never forget that integrity isn't what you say, it is actually what you repeat even when, or what to continue to do even when no one is looking or watching. So the four core values po kasi ng Yusana is integrity, community, excellence, and health. And every time that I come into a dilemma when I needed to make a major decision, I just circle around those four core values. And if I'm not violating any one of those four, dapat four out of four, then I know that I made the right decision all the time.
That touches my heart because I could feel you're not speaking from a script. That came from your heart, actual experience, and I love the way you center on your people, how you care for people. That for me is it's really striking and very compelling. Thank you, Cherry, for revealing that. No wonder, no wonder you are where you are now. All right.
Thank you, Ms.
So,
Lynn. I would always say nga po, pag ginatanong ako, what is your greatest asset as the GM? And I will always tell them, and this is no drama or anything, but I would always tell them, and my team would know this, that human resource is my greatest asset because there's really nothing one person like me can do without my team. So I really
wow.
centered a lot of what I do among my people.
Yeah, I can tell because even now, I mean, earlier before we started, you had your two very devoted ladies with you. I mean, you can tell how very supportive they are. So you know that it's not because they are being paid to do it. They just really want to do it, and that's
Yes,
amazing, Cherry. That's amazing. Now,
you.
Jerry, how do you motivate and support your network? Because, you know, it's huge. So, network of distributors to stay engaged, then achieve success and uphold also your company's values because it's not easy. It's not really easy after all.
Opo, totoo po. It's not really easy, especially that we deal with a lot of individuals coming from different walks of life. So here in Yasana, we keep our business partners, our associates. I want to call them business partners by engaging them. Okay, it's engagement is key. So we engage them by meeting them where they are, but not letting them stay there. So we meet them where they are, but we don't want them to stay where they are. Okay, that means creating po an ecosystem of simple, repeatable actions that compound into real momentum for our associates. Because when they join Usana, I'm sure they have different reasons for joining. One would probably about health and probably about earning extra or making it full time or begin Yasana. So whatever the reasons are, again, we meet them there and we want to make sure that they don't stay there. We want to be able to sure that we guide them through all the journey that they have here in Yasana. Something that we have been intentionally doing ever since we started. We are not just simply built in promotions or training, but we have made sure that we establish a relationship with them because after all, Miss Dina, direct selling is a relationship business. We establish a deeper kind of engagement and relationship among our associates for knowing them and sincerely caring for them. I think that is really the most important aspect of this kind of industry. That's why I really love being here. We also want to make sure that they have early wins or that early wins happen fast during their first few months in Yusana. Kasi po, based from our most recent insight, we know that getting paid within the first 90 days is key for us to be able to retain them. Kasi di ba, when you try to join a business or side hustle or any gig, you want, of course, with your efforts to be rewarded immediately. And that is something that we know here in Yasana. So our programs, our onboarding, promotions, be it like promotions, they are geared towards making sure that we will provide early wins for our associate for them to be able to stay, because we don't simply want to keep on getting people or hunt people. I call them hunting. We want to farm or nurture. So it's hunting versus farming. We're more into farming. We want them to be nourished. We want them to see that the value for with the value that they have or they get with joining Yusana is really something that they can lean on. Perhaps I think the most important thing is that we foster a value-driven community here at Yasana. That success isn't just about volume. It's about how you lead, it's about how you serve, it's how you grow with others. And we celebrate that. Kung mapapansin niyo po, direct selling is we do a lot of recognition events
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we want to make sure that we recognize, that we train on top of all the other incentive trips that we do. And again, that is reflective of our deeper mission here in Yasana, which is empowering people or empowering lives po. So yeah, deeper connection and meaningful, deeper connection and engagement with our associates is the way that we motivate people here.
Oh, okay. No wonder because I mean you've been here for such a long time and
Oh.
you stay there at the top. And I know that there are others who are also probably in the same category, but not quite like your record of consistency. So,
Thank you, Miss.
looking ahead, Cherry, what innovations or trends do you foresee shaping the future of wellness products and the works, your skincare, your energy products in the direct selling business? Are there some things that are being worked out right now for to add to your already really really a super success so far?
Thank you po, Christina. Actually, what I really love about Yusana, our company, is that aside from that, we have our own manufacturing plant. We have, again, over 100, actually over 180 scientists in-house, and they are the ones who are formulating our products. And with my, almost 17 years here in Yusana, our flagship product, which is Essentials, it it has undergone a lot of reformulation for us to be able to enhance it. So we keep po with the demands of the time, because I think a company would stay irrelevant, or a person or an individual for that matter will stay irrelevant if you start innovating or if you start evolving. So innovation is really key in everything that we do. But what I'm seeing in the industry is that there's going to be a massive convergence of science, of technology, a lot of personalization in wellness. Consumers are actually moving away from a one-size-fits-all solution, and they are now going towards daily routines that are intelligent, are substantiated, that are backed with data, that could be integrated into their lifestyle. So that is exactly where Usana is headed. We have started the renewed focus on cellular health as a foundation for everything that we do. In terms of business model, if I can just explain, we're not just an MLM po anymore, actually, Miss Dina. We considered ourselves as part of the gig economy, but with
Oh,
a purpose. People pa want income, yes, but also they wanted flexibility, they wanted emotional fulfillment, they wanted personal development. And that's what our language here in Yasana is evolving. Our tools are modernizing, and our support system, they are all becoming more intuitive. So we have our own learning management system that helps our associates from the day one that they been part of Yasana all throughout their journey. So to answer for your question again, there will be a lot of convergence of that science technology. and personalization. But the future, I think, will be hybrid. It will be a mix of community building, digital agility, a powerful brand promise that stands the test of time. And if we continue to lead with integrity po, I believe that our relevance will continue to grow here in this industry.
Uh,
So people, it's really changing. The landscape of direct selling is really changing so fast. And what we can do po talaga is really to adapt with times.
yeah,
Mhm.
and I know this is something that's just happened recently, and I know this came from the US, and I know that you also have your origins in America. That's where it all started, right?
Yes
So,
po.
Salt Lake City. So, how does the what we call the Trump tariffs affect your business in the future? Um, does it affect you in a negative way, or will it somehow change the prices worldwide?
Definitely,
What? Yeah,
that's a sad reality of
yeah,
business.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're all, I think, going to be affected somehow, one way or the other. Well, what's good with Yasana is that we manufacture in-house. So, however, our raw materials come from different sources outside the United States. So that's where we're going to be affected in terms of the prices of our raw materials coming in from outside, getting into the US. But from the US to the Philippines, we're not going to be affected that much, but there
Oh,
will be for sure effect in terms of the pricing of our raw materials, which eventually will impact our pricing here in the Philippines. But we're have a lot of buffer for now that we don't need to do any adjustment just because of the tariff po. So we promise our associates that the tariff for the meantime will not impact our current pricing, the one that we have for Yasana, because we've got a lot of, well, not a lot, but enough buffer to cushion the blow somehow.
that is such a relief to hear, because you are unlike other companies. They are getting scared already because a big portion of their business will really go through different tariffs. Obviously, you're in a different place. You're in a safer and much better place. It will not be affected that much. I could
Yes,
sense that. Yeah. So at
yes po.
any rate, Cherry, you know what? This is my observation of you. I think Usana is cannot find a better role model. I mean, for a leader, because just looking at you, I could say, oh wow. I mean, you're benefiting from your own products, really, from head to foot. So, and most especially, I tell you, your skin talaga. But I was just like, wow, because not I don't see a lot of people with that kind of skin. Not very smooth and glowing, and that's extraordinary. And that's I'm sure, Terry. Look, I'm sure that a lot of that also has got to do with Usana skincare products, right?
Oh, definitely, Miss Lina, because but again po, it's a total lifestyle. Pag
Yeah.
tinatanong po ako, what do you do? It's really a
Yeah.
total lifestyle. Aside po from the multivitamins, which takes care of
Uh,
from within. Of
uh, uh,
course, our skin is the largest organ, so I take good care of it. But also my lifestyle po, I really try to take good care of myself because I take good care of a lot of people. If I'm not healthy, how could I take care of a lot of people? So
correct.
I keep very strict in terms of strict, hindi naman po diet I actually eat whatever I like in moderation.
Yeah.
I exercise every day. It's a minimum of 10,000 steps every day. I make sure that I am moving. And it's every day. I do not miss a single day. I try to sleep 8 hours in a day po. So those are the things that it's a part of a holistic lifestyle po that I have been observing for many years. I'm not perfect, okay? I indulge once in a while, but I make sure po that I will also be a good example for this brand because being po the GM or an employee of Yusana, you represent the brand. That's the truth.
Indeed,
And
indeed. Yes.
you cannot just teach health
Mhm.
uh, if you don't look like you are healthy. So it's
Indeed,
also
indeed.
a
Yes,
part of that.
yes. That's
Okay.
really wow. I mean, it says it all. And really, for our viewers out there, you heard it, and it's really a very holistic kind of living, taking care also of yourself while doing your best, to have a very successful and profitable business as well. And that is something that I'm sorry for all the friends I have in the past who just went overboard doing everything for the company and then neglecting their health care, their self care. So I'm glad that you have all of that. it's it's so integrated into your life. It's no longer just a work life balance. It's a really like an integration. It's
Yes.
all there. So oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I I really made a firm decision. I'll invite Cherry because I've been reading about you in LinkedIn and I like what I learned. So I said, "Oh, I'm going to invite her. I will." Yeah. So, Cherry, what will be the next big event or some things that you're? I know you're doing regular, standard events, but do you have any special event you coming up soon?
Yes, po. I would like to invite everyone here, or your viewers po, to be part of our World Service Week. You know, USANA advocates so much about sustainability. We advocate so much about feeding programs. So the week of June 8th will be the start, and it's going to run for 1 week. We are going to launch for our program last week of May for that particular week. We're going to serve a lot of communities, and we're going to invite our business partners and everyone who's out there to be part of that. So I'm going po to send you more information
Yeah, please,
about how
please.
you are able to be part of our
Yes.
World Service Week, which is again a part of the advocacy of Yasana, is
Yes.
to reach out to our community and to give
Oh my
back.
God. I'd be very happy to get more information about that, Cherry. I'm
Yes,
telling
po.
you. Wow, I feel so happy I made the right decision inviting you. Yes. And of course, to all the viewers out there, you heard it. And so to prepare our viewers for our next speaker, and that is we are inviting Abigail Polma Chonko, who is going to talk about leadership and culture. So that's an entirely different topic. And of course, uh, to thank Cherry once more. So, ladies and gentlemen, remember again that learning is a never ending journey with limitless vistas